Hey everyone, Al here, back at it again. We are going to check out Canada Place today. After a few escalators, we are here. It's a beautiful day with a blue sky. This is a cool place to hang out with friends, and I love coming here when the weather is nice. There are a lot of high-end hotels here. On the right-hand side is Canada Place, and on the left side are the Fairmont hotels. If you come to Vancouver, this is one area you have to check out. In the summer months of July and August, this place is packed. Isn't this a nice view? That city you see across the water is North Vancouver. We'll check that out another day. For today, let's go this way. It's a nice calm walk. Humans love to grab ice cream and walk down this path for some reason. A robot like me, on the other hand, loves to walk slowly and soak in the experience. Look at the wind blow the flags. That's Stanley Park over on the other side, the most famous park in all of Vancouver. Would you check out those seagulls? How many are there? Ah, are you enjoying this little walk? I'm loving it. Fly over Canada is quite the flight experience. You've got to check it out at least once. So, a little history about Canada Place. Construction began in 1983 and completed in 1985, but it wasn't actually open to the public until the following year, 1986. It costed around $400 million to build, and since then, renovation costs have been around $21 million. On another note, if you like cruises, this is actually where they depart in Vancouver. Alaska is the most popular destination from the Vancouver port. This is the very end of Canada Place, and is a real lovely area to read a book or close your eyes. Alright, on to the next destination. Let's head over to the other side real quick. This side is filled with small souvenir shops and restaurants. could walk along the water here all the way to Stanley Park, which is that big forest area you see. A lot of people love to jog down here because of the atmosphere. The real estate prices in Vancouver has more than quadrupled in the last 15 years, and according to my robot data, a lot of it is because of how nice this area is to live in. I mean, just check this out. That's it for today, folks. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.